What is a square maximum minus a square minimum? The maximum value, this one, 2 into a square plus b square. Minimum value, a plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Difference, 2 into a square plus b square minus of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the answer? One time we will cancel a square plus b square minus 2ab.
A minus B whole squared.
So a minus b whole square is the answer. Last option. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next. Eleventh one is a trigonometric equation only. 2 sin square x plus 5 sin x minus 3 equals to 0. Between 0 to 3 pi, number of solutions. What are the factors? 2 sin square x or 2 into 3 6 minus 6. So plus 6 sin x minus 3 equal to 0. 2 sin x common, sin x plus 3 minus 1 common, sin x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2 sin x minus 1 into sin x plus 3 equal to 0. So sin x equals to 1 by 2. Sin x equals to minus 1 by 3. Minus 3 not possible. Because our maximum value is plus 1, minimum value is minus 1. It is not in the trend, so it is not possible. So sin x equal to 1 by 2. What is the general solution? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha value is 5 by 6 and 30. Now we have to find the range between 0 to 3 pi only. 0 to 3 pi. Put n equal to 0, 5 by 6. N equal to 1, 5 minus 5 by 6. It is 5 by 6. Now we have to find only number of values. So it is also belongs to the first one. Next, n equal to 2, 2 pi plus 5 by 6. It is also in the range 0 to 3 pi. Next, n equal to 3, 3 pi minus 5 by 6. 3 pi minus 5 by 6 also in the range 0 to 3 pi. Next, n equal to 4, 4 pi plus 5 by 6. 4 pi plus 5 by 6 not in the range. So after that we won't get it. So how many values lies between 0 to 3 pi? How many values? 4. So number of solutions of 4. Okay, understand? What we can do by using sin x equal to 1 by 2, 0 to 3 pi, 0 to 5, 2 pi, 3 pi. This is the graph. 0, 5, 2 pi, 3 pi. And sin x equal to 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 line is a horizontal line. So it intersects the curve at how many values? 4 times. So 4 solutions. If you don't know the exact value, here we know the exact value by 1 by 2, 5 by 6, we can write the general solution. Sometimes you may get sin x equal to 1 by 3 or like that. In that number of solutions we can find by using the graph. How many times they intersect, it gives one solution. Okay. So last one, 16th one. Number of solutions of tan x plus secant x equals to 2 cos x. So between 0 to 2 pi you have to find it. So totally converting into sin and cos. Sin x by cos x plus 1 by cos x 2 cos x. sin x plus 1 equals to 2 cos x into cos x, cos square x. So sin x plus 1 equals to, total you have to convert it into sine. So 1 minus sine square x. So 2 sine square x plus sin x minus 1 equal to 0. So what are the factors? 2 sin x minus, I think we did already. Sin x plus 2. 1 equal to 0. Sin x equal to 1 by 2, sin x equals to minus 1. We did already this question. Now how many values? 5 by 6, 5 by 6, and minus 1 is 1, 2, 70. The number of solutions are 3. Okay? Any doubts? CJ advanced page number 56. First one, sin x plus sin 2 sin 2x minus sin 3x equals to 3. How many solutions it has? How you solve it? Without solving also you can say easily, because see here sin 2x, sin 3x. Even if you take the maximum values, you will get, you won't get 3. Sin x maximum value 1 plus 1 minus 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 only. So you won't get it 3. So and you won't get sin x and sin 2x equal to 1 for same values of x. So no solution.
So can you repeat?
Where is the maximum value of sin x?
1.
Otherwise you can write in terms of sin x. You can solve sin x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin 2x equals to 3. So from the equation you can take sin x common. 1 plus 4 cos x minus plus 4 sin x square equals to 3.
స్కూల్ కి వెళ్ళాలి
మధ్యలో ఎప్పుడు స్కూల్కి రమ్మన్నారు కదా దేనికో
Plus 4 into sin
మనకే
square
ఫీజు రిసిప్ట్ ఏదో కావాలంటే
so 1 minus
స్టాండర్డ్స్ కావాలి కదా
నార్మల్ గా స్కూల్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి
plus 4 cos x minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So sin x into this is 4 minus 2 minus 4 cos square x plus 4 cos x equals to 3. Here you get the factors for bracket, or you can write by adding in 1.
Oh yes.
So you can write this one.
ఇప్పుడు సరిపోతుంది మధ్యలో మన ఫ్రీ క్లాస్ ఉంటున్నాడు ఫ్రీగా ఉంది కదా
ఇప్పుడు బాగుంది
So by adding 1, 3 minus 4 cos square x plus minus 4 cos x plus 1. Just I am adding 1, subtracting 1 here. So it is equals to 3. So you can write the sin x, you can take outside. 3 minus 2 cos x minus 1 whole square equals to 3 by sin x. 3 minus 2 cos x minus 1 whole square is always greater than or equal to 3 or less than or equal to 3. Perfect square, if you subtract, value increases or decreases? Perfect square means non-negative value. If you subtract non-negative value, value increases or decreases? Decreases. So the maximum value is 3. Minimum, so less than or equals to 3. Less than or equals to 3. But 3 into 1 by sin x is cosecant x. Cosecant x is greater than or equal to 1. So greater than or equals to 3. So left side is less than or equal to 3. Right side is greater than or equal to 3. So only possibility is equal to 3. So only possibility equal to 3 means where you get this should be 0. Cos x equal to 1 by 2. And cosecant x should be 1. Cosecant x is 1. Sin x equal to 1, cos x equal to 1 by 2 for same values of x. Both happen, then only we will get this possibility. For what values is it possible for both the same value of x?
No.
Cos x 1 by 2, sin x 1 for same value of x, you won't get it, so no solution. Understand? Listen once. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin 3x. Total sin x you take common, and inside the bracket you total converting into cos square. So that you have to write perfect square. By writing perfect square, we are getting 3 minus 2 cos x minus 1 whole square. After that, we are simplifying only. So now what we are getting 3 minus 2 cos x minus 1 whole square, and this side is 3 by sin x. See, if you subtract non-negative from real number, value decreases. So maximum value is 3. So always this is less than or equal to 3. Suppose if it is 0, that at that time only we will get 3. Next, 3 by sin x, cosecant x range is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So more than 1. So greater than or equal to 3. But this is less than or equal to 3. So sin x, cosecant x, only possibility is equal to 3. So equal to 3 means that this should be 0. Cos x equal to 1 by 2 and cosecant x should be 1. So cos x 1 by 2 sin x equal to 1 for both the same values of x. Then only we can solve this equation. Here this is x, here this is x. Both the equations will, if you give the same value, then only we will get one solution. But we won't get like this. Cos x 1 by 2 sin x 1. So no common solution means number of solutions is 0. In the beginning only we can sin x to sin 2x to sin 3x maximum values if you take 1, 1, 1. We won't get maximum value 3. Okay? There is a range. What they have given in the problem, you check it. 0 to pi, first quadrant, sign positive, second positive, 0 to pi, first to second quadrant. So that's why we are not taking negative values. Okay? Second question, we did already, I think. Sin theta minus cos theta equals to root 2 cos theta. Sin theta equals to root 2 plus 1. We take cos theta to this side plus cos theta. Now multiply with root 2 minus 1 on both sides. So root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta. This is root 2 sin theta minus 1 into sin theta minus sin theta. So root 2 sin theta equals to cos theta plus sin theta. So this is the Q set. This is P set. So from P we are getting Q, means P equal to Q. Both will give the same solution. Set. Both are equal. Next, the third one, between 0 to 2 pi. 2 sin square theta minus 5 sin theta plus 2 greater than 0. So same, first you find the factor 2 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta. You get 5. How you get it? 1 and 4. Huh? Two sin theta minus 1 into sin theta minus 2 greater than 0. What is sin theta minus 2? Always positive or negative?
Negative.
So if sin theta minus 2 is negative always, so it depends on only the first one, 2 sin theta minus 1. It is also negative. Then only we will get negative into negative positive. What is sin theta less than 1 by 2? It is not equal to 1 by 2. Less than 1 by 2. So you have to solve it between 0 to 2 pi. So always we cannot write the full solution. Well, we know already 0 to 1 by 2. Less than means the same function. 0 to 1 by 2 means 0 to 5 by 6. Next we will see by graph better. 0 to 5, 5 to 2 pi. Next to 1 by 2. Y equals to 1 by 2 horizontal. Less than means below. So what is the answer? This is 0. Where you get 1 by 2? 5 by 6. And this is 5 by 6 up to 2 pi. So below 1 by 2. Below 1 by 2 where we get? The first one 0 to 5 by 6. First one 0 to 5 by 6. Next 5 by 6 to 5 by 6 more than 1 by 2. 5 by 6 to 5 by 6 more than 1 by 2. Next 5 by 6, 5 by 6 to total up to 2 pi below. So up to 2 pi you will get to the range. So this is the answer. Question number 2. See, this is P. Sin theta minus cos theta equals to root 2 cos theta. Take cos theta to this side plus cos theta. 1 into cos theta. Just you take cos theta common. Multiply with root 2 plus 1 on both sides. So this is 2 minus 1 cos theta. So root 2 minus 1 into sin theta is root 2 sin theta minus sin theta. Minus sin theta you take left side. So root 2 sin theta equals to cos theta plus sin theta. This is Q. After solving P, we are getting Q. So both are equal. P equals to Q. You understand?
So could you explain the graph part in question 3?
Graph part means less than 1 by 2. See here. This is sin x graph, and y equals to 1 by 2. You have to solve the equation y equal to sin x equals to 1 by 2. So this is y equal to 1 by 2 horizontal line. Less than 1 by 2. Sin values less than 1 by 2 means below 1 by 2 you have to see the graph. So this is y equal to 1 by 2 graph 0 to here, where you get 1 by 2, 5 by 6. So 0 to 5 by 6 first quadrant. Next this is 5. So between before 5 you will get 5 by 6. This value is 5 by 6. 5 minus 5 by 6. 5 by 6. And this is 0 to 2 by. So all values between less than 1 by 2 you have to take, means below this 1 by 2, what is the graph? This one and this one. So this range is 5 pi by 6 to 2 pi, and this is 0 to pi by 6. So this is the answer.
Okay, thank you, sir. To find the range, inequalities or unknown values, we use the graph. Less than means below. Reverse means this is negative. Sin theta minus 2 is always negative. So this is also negative. Negative into negative greater than 0. Otherwise, if you take negative value, inequality is already divided now. If you take the negative value to the other side, value changes. Inequality changes. Next, ninth one. 7 cos x plus 5 sin x equals to 2k plus 1. The number of integral values of k for which the equation has a solution. So to exist the solution, this should be 2k plus 1 should be the range of this 7 cos x plus 5 sin x. So what is the range of 7 cos x plus 5 sin x? What is the range of 7 cos x plus 5 sin x? Minimum value c minus root a square plus b square. Maximum value c plus root a square plus b square. So what is the maximum value? C value 0 here. Minimum 7 square 49 plus 5 square 25 minus root 60 74. So 2k plus 1 should lies between minus root 74 plus root 74. Now what is the approximate value of root 74? Minus 9.5 by 2. Minus 4.7 something. 3 point like that we will get. Approximate value we take. But we have to find the only number of integral values. What are the integers lies between this range? What are the integer values? So how many solutions? Understand the question? See, this is 7 cos x plus 5 sin x equal to 2k plus 1. To exist the solution, 2k plus 1 also lies between the range of this one. If suppose 2k plus 1 is beyond this range, both never equal. More than this or less than this range. So both are never equal, so we won't get any solution. For example, you take sin x equals to 100. Is it possible? No. So like this. So in this range only we have to take. So what is the range? Minus c minus root a square plus b square minimum value. P plus root a square plus b square is maximum value. So minus root 74 to plus root 74. 2k plus 1. But we have to find the values of k. So approximate value take and simplify this minus 4.7 to 3.7. What we have to write? The integer values. Only we have to count. What are the integer values lies between this range? These values. So how many? 8. So number of solutions 8.
So can you use the c minus a square plus b square whole root and these both formulas for all trigonometric functions like tan also and cot, or only for cos
Only
and
a
sin?
sin x plus b cos x plus c and x should be both for both functions the same.
So what is c?
C is constant.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
We did already see in classwork. Like 3 sin x minus 4 cos x plus some 5. C value is 5. Next, 16th one. Same equation 3 sin square x minus 7 sin x plus 2 equal to 0. Which is 0 to pi by. What are the roots? 3 sin square minus 6 sin x minus sin x plus 2 equal to 0. 3 sin x common sin x minus 2. Minus 1 common sin x minus 2 equal to 0. Sin x minus 2 into 3 sin x minus 1 equal to 0. 3 sin x equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 2 not possible. Sin x equal to 2 not possible. Okay. Only sin x equal to 1 by 3. But 1 by 2 we don't know exact value. So in this case you have to solve the graph only. 0 to pi pi. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi. So this is the graph. 0 to 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi. Next, what is the value? 1 by 3. Y equals to 1 by 3. Maximum value 1 you know. So 1 by 3 is between 0 to 1 on horizontal line. Somewhere. If you draw the horizontal line, how many times you can intersect? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of solutions is 6. Understand? Because here we don't know the value of 1 by 3. So we have to solve it. Already did 1 by 2 like that only. But for 1 by 2 we can write the generalization, we can verify. But for 1 by 3 we cannot. So we have to draw the graph only. Next, the same 21. 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2 equal to 0. Generalize. Simple one. 2 sin square theta minus 4 sin theta plus sin theta minus 2. 2 sin theta plus 1 into sin theta minus 2 equal to 0. Correct? So sin theta 1 by equal to 2 not possible. Sin theta equals to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means minus 5 by 6. General solution n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 are options involving 5 by 6 to 7 by 6. So it is not an option. So we have to write one more value. Not quadrant. 5 plus 5 by 6. We need to put quadrant minus 5 by 6. Not there. So sin 5 plus 5 by 6 is 7 by 6. Then 5 plus minus 1 whole power n into 7 by 6. It is in the option. Both options. Next to 26. What is the range of again? find it. Let's find out that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 2 into sin theta cos theta equals to, this is n by 4. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So sin pi by 2n into 2 pi by n equals to, if you take 1 to this side, n minus n by 4 minus 1. N minus 4 by 4. What is the range of sin pi by n? What is the range of sin pi by n? N is natural number.
Class. God says, but
Only 0 to 1. So 0 less than or equal.
God says not okay.
0 also not possible. So 0 less than n minus power by 4 less than or equal to 1. So by taking cross multiplication, 0 less than n by 4 less than or equal to 4. By adding 4, 4 less than n less than or equal to 8. So open 4, close the 8th answer. Understand? Squaring on both sides, sin theta plus cos theta whole square, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 2ab equals to n by 2 whole square, root n by 2 whole square is n by 4. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. 2 into 1 by 2 will cancel. So sin pi by n equals to n minus 4 by 4. See, n is a natural number here. So sin pi by n value lies between 0 to 1 only. 0 also not possible because by putting natural numbers you won't get 0. So answer is what are your answer? Positive integer. Okay, this is the sin pi by 2n plus cos pi by 2n whole square. So sin square by taking squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 2ab. 2 sin pi by 2n cos pi by 2n. What is 2 sin theta cos theta? Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 into theta is pi by 2n. 2 will cancel, so sin pi by n. Pi by 4. Here n is a positive integer. Positive integer means lies between 0 to n equal to 1 sin 180 possible. So 0 less than or equal to less than or equal 4 to 8 option 3. What is your answer? Equality is there, only less than is there.
Music class.